Okay, let me just lock it. Anyway, everyone, I was just thinking of, okay, wait, I'm gonna wash the wifey's car now. The engine's a bit dirty, and I say that in the nicest way because it's never been clean on the outside. I'm gonna show you some B-roll now. So, you tell yourself, you know what? I don't have enough time to wash an engine, but I need a clean engine. So, show you how quick it is to do. Okay, first of all, power washer. Power washer. Yes, please, it's on. And then most modern cars are totally fine for, you know, water gets on them. The only thing you need to worry about really is the ECU. And then here, let's take a plastic bucket. There. That's really just a connection for the ECU. It's nothing else major than that. Your best friend, my best friend, Blixem, spray it everywhere. And just so you know, I'm starting the time. It's now 2 o'clock. So I'm spray the Blixem on everywhere. Move it around. Do not get Blixem on the paint. Do not get Blixem on the paint. Let me tell you how to do it. We have a really bad day. It was 4 minutes past 2 when I started the clock. And then, yeah, cut it out. Okay. And stop the clock. Stop the clock. Stop the clock. It was 4 minutes past 2. 6 minutes past 2. But oh, guys got some wood on there. Sorry about that. Advice: do not start the car in the next few minutes. Okay. Be that guy. Don't be that guy. Give that a white little moist cloth, and there you go. Everything nice. Brilliant, brilliant. Okay. There you go. Not even 5 minutes of actual washing. There you go. As you can see, I popped it out in the sun so it can dry off a little bit, but yeah, just 5 minutes of your time, guys. Biggie Blixem, and then remember I didn't spray the Blixem on the paint as much. I want to get that off as soon as possible because it will eat on the paint. That Blixem is diluted, right? Please don't forget diluted. Don't put pure Blixem anywhere near your car. Maybe if it's on the engine part outside the car or when it's on the car. Dilute it first, please. For us, if you're watching, I diluted it, okay, bro? Don't worry about it. And yeah, I let it dry. Just let it dry in the sun. There's nothing wrong with that. Hey? Just wait till it dries off. And I'll check you guys afterwards. It's shiny now because it's wet, but damn, so much more cleaner, eh? So much more cleaner than before. Ooh, that'll definitely get me some points with the Wi-Fi for sure. For sure, and that's what you actually want, is points with the Wi-Fi. And even if you're worrying, I'm gonna start now after I washed it. It's just perfectly fine. No problems. So if you don't damage anything, just give it a quick wash, no excuse. So yeah guys, that's how you do it. Wait, hold up. Yeah. Is it level? Anyways, that's how you do it guys. Thank you for watching. Please see, like, subscribe and whatever else. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out. Let that dry, okay? Just let it dry, finish. Okay, safe. Sorry, busy man.